Instead of having multiple programs, now we have Hatch for the singular communication via our website chat and or any of our paid for leads. We also text those people, and a lot of times we get in touch with those people via text versus them not answering the phone. So we still call them, of course. We still reach out and do everything that we've always done. But when it comes to the instant lead engagement, it's a really fantastic option because it's right there on the same platform that we're using for everything else. We're using Hatch as a new lead database mining also, right? So we're going through the leads that are able to be texted and then putting those in there, which brings back a lot. It's brought us a considerable amount of business, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's been very, very nice. Like I'm down to making 10 to 15, maybe 20 phone calls a day, and my production hasn't dropped off at all compared to 150 to 200 calls a day. Okay, so the effectiveness and the quality is absolutely there. Like right before we hopped on this call at 3:20, okay, this was a new lead 3 days ago through Home Advisor. Couldn't reach him on the phone for 3 days. Well, he responded to the text message and set the appointment for the estimate to do business like literally 2 minutes before we hopped on. Your program has done nothing but increase the efficiency of what we do, which is awesome. I love walking in and seeing 30, 40 messages, 25 messages there. I'm like, oh yeah, I got some work to do. Let's do this.
But those are the 25 or 30 messages or 40 messages that come in from 10 to noon.
Yeah,
right.
That's only 2 hours.
Well, I will say this, it has definitely and 100% increased our volume in business, right? So there is no doubt that Hatch has made us money.
We have 3 to 4 new people working here since our Hatch program started. And there's enough for everybody to go around. Like sometimes Hatch gets overwhelming and I pass stuff out.
So it's been a hell of a product thus far. We're thrilled with it. It makes us money. And
there you go.
That's the bottom line, right? So
I'm just thrilled not to be making 200 phone calls a day.
Right.